I had high hopes for us, baby. Like I was on dope for us, baby. Chasing after a high that I'd never get back again. So we turned into 3 long years, and it became painfully clear that we would never see those days again. Oh, forever doesn't last too long. Forever doesn't last too long. Forever doesn't last too long these days. And I try to believe that we could make it, but trying don't work, so I just have to face it. Forever doesn't last too long these days.